defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here